Hello, so today I'm just going to answer a few additional questions people have asked about dual screen setups. There's quite a lot going on here, so hopefully this will make sense to you. First of all, switching between applications, you can use Alt-Tab. And then once you've got the application open, you can use Ctrl-Tab to switch between instances or windows within that application. So the question really was, how do I switch between data between one Excel book and another? So another thing you can do, hold down the start button, use the arrow keys, and you can move your programs around the screen to line them up where you want. See, going back to the question that we were asked, what you can do is, so we want to copy this to the other Excel. We can press Ctrl C, then Ctrl Tab, and then move down, and then Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, and if you want to switch applications or windows the other way, you can press Alt Tab. If you hold down the Shift key, it switches backwards rather than forwards, because that's, you see the difference, forwards and with the Shift key backwards. And if you're feeling really dexterous, if you press, obviously I've only got two Excel windows open, but if you press Ctrl Shift Tab, it will switch between the windows of an application the other way.